Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide your Reddit profile in search engines. Maybe you want to maintain your online privacy and prevent your activity from being easily discoverable by individuals or entities conducting online searches. So today I'm going to show you how to hide your Reddit profile in search engines. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this page, tap on Account Settings. Here, scroll up, and under Personalized Recommendations section, you can now see this Show Up in Search Results option. Since you wanted to turn off this option, simply toggle off the switch next to it. After that, you now have successfully hidden your Reddit profile from search engine results. This will help you maintain a higher degree of online privacy. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide your Reddit profile in search engines, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide your Reddit profile in search engines, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.